Facts, this is a hotel. This is not no Airbnb. But okay. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? We just woke up today. So we 6 hours behind Georgia. We woke up in the morning. Last night we had some, we had some Ciroc last night. She was good as fuck. Okay. Had me smack. And we rolled up a couple J's, smoked them hoes. We finna go to the beach. Go camping on the beach. If it's looking too windy, I'm probably finna cut it. Say fuck it and do it another time. But yeah, it's a little cloudy outside. I think the temperature like 70 degrees, windy. So it feel like it's 68, but you know. Got my breakfast right here. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we at the other house or when we get in the car. Let's see y'all. Alright, so I had to vlog some of this shit too, last night we was having too good of a time, like, to really vlog it for real. Wasn't that right? Man. Ooh, where we at right now? What is it called? It's not Waikiki no more, right? Aloha, man. But it's an island, so they got different time. Everything we built different too. Yeah, and they had a good ass time last night. They was singing karaoke being a little loud. Almost got kicked out of the room. I was knocked out at like 10 over here. For me, my time is really like, for me, right now it would be like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But I be staying up at nighttime till like 4 in the morning back on the East Coast. So like the time it even out, you feel me? About 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning. So it's perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the street right now. It's been a little rainy, but it's still good, The mountains just look crazy though. Do something a little risky. Riding around. Where we riding around right now? What is it called? Cully. That's what Tyrell did? Oh, he just moved? I ain't really been filming too much because like I really been in the moment, you feel me? I don't want to get everything on YouTube because like y'all ain't meant to see everything, but like I'll let y'all see a little bit, just a little bit of my life. But yeah, a lot of people thinking I'm crazy when I be talking to the camera too. Like, you thought I was crazy? No. I'm saying. What's this? Boys and Girls Club of Hawaii. It's middle school. And then everything, I feel like everything be outside. Like y'all malls be outside. I feel like the schools be outside too. Like, y'all got like the hallways be just open, like you can see birds flying. That's cool. Possibly finna get a new pack, so we finna try out their weed. So far, their weed was hitting though, I'm not gonna lie. Everybody say that shit from Cali, but like, come on. Not all weed is grown in Cali. No. It's what y'all don't see in Hawaii. It's what y'all don't be seeing. and it's my suitcase on the ground, like fucked up. But yeah, over here that shit like on the regular. And they said they got mongooses, right? Like the fucking ferrets. Yeah. They be snapping them cobras' necks. Yeah, you know who I got with me is Simba. Simba, yeah. I just want to squeeze them. Hey, square it. Don't be trying to break me. Why you so mean now? Don't bite me. He licks your head when I touch his butt. So tell me some of the lingo they be saying in Hawaii. First off, what's the slang called?
It's called moke.
Moke?
Or pigeon.
Or pigeon. Where we at right now? Ever Beach?
Waipahu.
Wait, literally right. You said Bartholomew?
Waipahu.
Oh, I was like. I like how over here they got all like native names. It's not like Carpenter Street, Johnson Drive. Like that's it. Confederate Ave. So like, dog keep putting his butthole on my white T-shirt when they had chocolate stains on that shit. Scrap. Fight.
Yeah, scrap and bang. And like,
with a bang.
No.
Wait, how do you saying it?
Like what? Like scrap, you fucker, like that.
Yeah, that's exactly how they say it.
Yeah.
Open?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Looking like some Jurassic Park shit.
I know y'all can barely hear me because the wind is flying. Bro, come on, like, we camping right here. Like, you know what we're doing? You know, crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I might have to throw on a swim cap because I'm not getting these birds wet. I hope that shit fits me. I'm gonna look bad, dog. I'm like, I'm gonna look for swim cap. Some big waves, but like this shit beautiful, bro. Like this shit really is beautiful. I see the it's like a mountain in the back of the beach. Like I've never seen that before. And Florida don't be having that shit. And I always be in Florida, so I'm just never on that. Pacific Ocean, man, that's crazy. What type of wood though? That's the type of wood you use for the fire.
Oh, word? Hey, they showing out. They showing out. Hey, they showing out. They gave me a little soap. Oh, they help.
just recording his Musa B.
I'm a YouTuber, but I gotta vlog it.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
10 out of 10. Let's try again. Yeah, that's nigga. Oh shit.
These don't have the sauce in it.
Yeah, because it's a little bit drier. The 7-Eleven one has more sauce.
I'm finna try some
And then
Cane's
can I
steak.
get one extra
First time
sauce
ever.
for each of them? So 3 extra sauces. So?
See the fit though. I need to rock on the Braves. We gotta represent the Braves.
And then could I get one
Alright, YouTube, it's a little setup. We got switches with us because they ain't had no Dutches. Let's see. Yeah, this shit look like Miami. But you know, we ain't in Miami. We can act like we is though. It's beautiful. We got some Canes right here too. Real. Finna roll up. Keep the smoking. Finna get high as fuck. Let's get it. I think I fell in love with Musubis. Musubis are good as fuck. I think they spell it MITSUBUI or some shit. That shit good as fuck. It's like a rice wrap with spam on top with some sauce, wrapped around with seaweed leaf, some type of leaf wrapped around stewed pork or some shit. Man, that shit was good though. I think it's called Lauma too. Bruh, I just fucking dropped my load. God damn. Now you see that little yellow thing right there. It's on the way to Waikiki Beach right now. Shit look fire. I don't lie to you. Can't even see that shit to the camera. I hope this shit come out clear though. Hey, this is just on a Monday, on a random ass Monday. Fireworks party. Waikiki Strip. Getting back to the hotel. What's up, YouTube? It's my last day in Hawaii. Matter of fact, let me open up these blinds and shit. Oh, my arm hurt like a bitch, so my shoulder, fucking weight training and shit. But yeah, today my last day in Hawaii. View. from the B&B. You get used to the view in Hawaii, but like, when you first visit, man, that shit beautiful. It always is beautiful, but like, you kind of get used to the view. But yeah, I'm gonna get this first session in for y'all. Let's get it. Alright, YouTube, as you could tell, I'm back in Georgia. It was a long ass flight, you know. But you know, I made it. Went to the airport, got me some merch. It's Arizona State hoodie. You know, this shit is fire though, so got some merch. But yeah, man, that shit. It was an amazing trip. Beautiful skies, like beautiful plants and all that. So I definitely gotta go back, but I'm like hella tired right now. So first thing I need to do is get some sleep. Then I'm gonna upload this video for y'all. But yeah, like, subscribe, do all that. It's Rico's World. I'm gonna catch y'all.